Hey everybody, we want to share with you how we plan our Milky Way photography. We use the Photopills app. Once in the app, we choose the planner option. This is going to bring up a map. You can zoom out, you can zoom in. We already have our location pinned, but if you need to change that, you just pick up your pin, drag and drop it to wherever your location is going to be. Once you have your location pinned, you're going to go to the bottom blue bar. You're going to see that is your date and time bar. You're going to go ahead and select the date that you're going to shoot the Milky Way. We know that next new moon is April 30th, so that's when we're going to have our event to photograph the Milky Way. Once you have the date selected, you're going to go up to the top. There's a tab at the top that you can swipe left and right. We're going to look for the Visibility GC tab. This tells you the visibility of the galactic center, which is the brightest part of the Milky Way, when it's going to rise and when it's going to set. As you can see, this shows us that on April 30th, the Milky Way is going to rise at 10:56 and set at 4:06 a.m. So we're going to go back down to our date and time, and we're going to go to approximately 10:56. Once you have that set, you're going to see the white dots on this map are a visual representation of where the Milky Way is going to be in the sky. The further away those dots are from the center point, you can see they're touching that outer circle, means that the Milky Way is going to be more horizontal. So if you go back up to the top tab and you scroll left, you're going to see an option for galactic center. That picture in the upper left-hand corner is a representation of where the Milky Way, how the Milky Way is going to look in the sky. So you can see it's pretty horizontal there. However, if we go back down to the date and time bar and swipe left and keep going later into the night, early into the morning, you're going to see those dots become closer to the red pin location. This means it's going to be more vertical. So if you look back up at the picture, the upper left-hand corner, that Milky Way is now more vertical than it is horizontal. Another cool feature is this Night AR button on the bottom. I'm going to show you how that looks, but what it does is give you a pretty realistic vision of where the Milky Way is going to be in your actual location. So you actually have to be in the location to use this. You click on Night AR, and it's going to show you where the Milky Way is going to be on whatever date and time that you have set. This is really helpful in helping you plan your composition. We hope this was helpful. Continue to get out there and explore, create, and do good.